And this is someone that took advantage of my combined shipping. And how do you tell the difference between a Prizm and a regular card? Hello, YouTube world. My name is Anthony Long. Welcome back.
Hey, Bluegrass, can we go thrift shopping?
Hello, YouTube world. My name is Anthony Long. Welcome back to the Bluegrass Picker channel. You came back. Why? Why would you come back? Sure glad you did. What sold on eBay this weekend? First thing that sold was this Call of Duty. Gonna drop it. Call of Duty World at War. It's a PS3 game. I don't remember how much I sold it for. I think it was $12.95. I'll put the comp up. Next thing I sold was this Call of Duty Ghosts. I don't even really know what it is. It came in a big lot that I got on a YouTube auction that I didn't do very good on. It was one of those sight unseen, not tested stuff. Some of that stuff did not work. But this was cool. It was still in the package. Hadn't been used. You could tell. And I think I had it for $17.95. And it went for, and I sent an offer for $14.95 and someone took it. Next thing that sold was this opening day Giants pin. It was from '99, I believe, or 1997. It was against the Pittsburgh Pirates, and these pins sell really well. I've sold so many of them. If you watch my channel, you've seen it. I believe it was $8.95 or $9.95, one of the two. And something I always do is I contact them and say, hey, I've got a lot more pins of similar style and of the Giants. If you're interested, I'll combine shipping. Send me offers. I'll give you better deals. They didn't do it this time, but sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. This is another one, and I did the same thing with these people. It's 3 pins from the All-Star game, 1984. It says on here, I don't know how to say it. Croix de Candlestick. I guess it's French. Vini, Vidi, I don't know. But it's a cool pins. It was a pin lot of 3, and these were $39.95 because I'd comped them and looked at them and knew they were kind of rare. Next thing that sold were Super Mario games. Another people I contacted and said, hey, I've got other games in my other N64 games, but they only bought one. And this one's Super Mario 64. I believe it went for $34.95. I keep forgetting. Now that I throw up on the screen how much it was, I forget. I think I took an offer, or sent an offer. And Pokemon Snap, it sold for what my asking price was. I believe that was $34.95. That one's these two are real good ones, being Pokemon and Mario. When it comes to Pokemon and Mario, they sell. And this is someone that took advantage of my combined shipping, and I saw him take an offer. I saw him buy a card, this Philip Lindsay, and I saw his name, and then I saw him send offers for this Tom Brady, which is, it's not a Prizm, but it is select, $10.95. And Darius Leonard, this is a whole lot. It's his rookie card, and one of them is a Prizm. And how do you tell the difference between a Prizm and a regular card? You can see the hologram, the color. It's like a rainbow. And so there's a big difference. That's why everybody's trying to get the Prizm of the Panini Select. And compared to the other one, you can tell. But since by themselves they don't individually sell for a lot, I got 2 of the base, 1 of the Prizm, and I believe it was $22.95. I'll put the comp up. And then Philip Lindsay isn't even really a starter. He was sharing time with forget the other running back in Denver, and he got dropped or traded. I can't remember. He's working for he's on another team now, and it sold for like $6.95. But you know, it's nice that I can ship this out to one person, and he might keep my store in mind next time he buys. He's in the mood for buying football cards. but I contacted him. He contacted me and said, "Will you give me a combined invoice?" Which is cool. You know, makes it easier for me, honestly. And then I gave him six. He didn't even ask for combined shipping, but I gave him $6 off shipping, and still made it $4. And so those are some my sales this weekend. And grind on, friends. She never mentions the word addiction.
Bye from Bluegrass Pickers. Stay tuned.